Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to some campsites with spectacular views, where you can enjoy the beautiful nature of Japan. There are plenty of spots that both beginners and veterans can enjoy. Please read to the end and find your favorite campsite. Campsites with spectacular views where you can enjoy the beautiful nature of Japan are highly recommended for foreign travelers. This time, I will introduce the top 5 campsites that you should especially visit. 1. Asagiri Jamboree Auto Campsite, Shizuoka Prefecture. This is a campsite where you can see the majestic figure of Mount Fuji up close. The vast grass site has an excellent sense of openness, and is perfect for taking photos with Mount Fuji in the background. In addition, the water used in the site is natural water from Mount Fuji pumped up from 180 meters underground, and is rich in vanadium, which is expected to have a detoxifying effect. There are facilities that are safe for beginners and families. In addition, there is beautiful nature in the surrounding area, and you can enjoy hiking and cycling. The autumn leaves are especially spectacular in autumn, providing visitors with the charm of the 4 seasons. Also, if you drive a short distance from the campsite, you will find a market where you can enjoy local specialties and a popular restaurant that serves dishes made with fresh ingredients. Sightseeing spots in the area include Fujisan Hongu Sengen, Taisha Shrine and Shuraido Falls. Fujisan Hongu Sengen Taisha Shrine is the head shrine of the approximately 1,300 Sengen shrines nationwide, and is characterized by its beautiful grounds and spring water. Meanwhile, Shuraido Falls is a magnificent waterfall that is 20 meters high and 150 meters wide, and you can enjoy the scenery of the 4 seasons. This area also shows different expressions depending on the season, with cherry blossoms in full bloom in spring and lush grasslands in summer. It is a spot where you can feel the charm of Mount Fuji even more deeply. In addition, Asagiri Jamboree Auto Campsite sometimes holds special events by taking advantage of its vast grounds. For example, stargazing events are held at night, where you can enjoy the starry sky while listening to expert commentary. There are also plenty of activities for children, so even families who are new to camping can enjoy it with peace of mind. In addition, festivals are sometimes held to introduce the local culture and local specialties, giving visitors many opportunities to experience the charms of the region. 2. Hottarakashi Campsite, Yamanashi Prefecture. Located at an altitude of about 700 meters, this is a luxurious campsite where you can enjoy Mount Fuji, the night view of the basin, and the starry sky at the same time. Each site is highly independent, so you can relax in a private space. There is also a Hottarakashi onsen nearby, where you can enjoy the hot springs as the sunrise comes. In the hot springs, you can relax while looking at Mount Fuji, which will soothe your physical and mental fatigue. In addition, there are restaurants nearby where you can enjoy dishes made with fresh local ingredients, so you can enjoy a luxurious meal while camping. Recommended sightseeing spots in the area are Arakuriyama Sengen Park and Shozenkyo. At Arakuriyama Sengen Park, you can enjoy a spectacular view of Mount Fuji and the 5-story pagoda, and the cherry blossoms are especially beautiful in spring. Shozenkyo boasts one of Japan's most beautiful valleys, and you can enjoy the scenery created by strange rocks and clear streams. You can also enjoy a hands-on experience at a local craft studio and a tour of a historic temple. This campsite is attractive throughout the year, with beautiful cherry blossoms in spring and autumn leaves in autumn, allowing you to enjoy different scenery in each season. There is also a winery nearby, which is a famous tourist destination, where you can spend an elegant time tasting local wine. Campfire social events are also held at the campsite, where you can enjoy interacting with other campers. Guided hikes are also planned to further enhance the fun of the outdoors. 3. Minamiizu Yuhigaoka Campsite, Shizuoka Prefecture. This is a spectacular spot, where you can watch the beautiful sunset over Suruga Bay. All sites face the sea and are designed with an emphasis on privacy. The premium site in particular is spacious, allowing you to spend a luxurious time. There are also beautiful coastlines and hot springs in the surrounding area, making it an ideal base for sightseeing. You can also purchase fresh seafood at the nearby fishing port, which is perfect for cooking at the campsite. In summer, you can enjoy swimming and marine sports, so there are many activities to choose from. Recommended spots in the area include Hikatsuzaki Monkey Bay and Irozaki. Hikatsuzaki Monkey Bay is a natural park, where you can observe wild Japanese macaques up close, and is popular with families. Irozaki is located at the southernmost tip of the Izu Peninsula, and is a spot where you can enjoy the spectacular views of the cliffs and the Pacific Ocean. You can also visit traditional fishing villages and experience the unique culture and customs of the region. In addition, Minamiizu Yuhigaoka campsite offers different activities depending on the season. For example, snorkeling and fishing experiences are popular in summer, and events are held in winter, where you can taste local seafood. In addition, the observation deck within walking distance of the campsite is not to be missed for the fantastic sunrise that can be seen in the early morning. Special programs are also available to coincide with local festivals and events. 4. Ginga Momiji Campsite, Nagano Prefecture. This campsite is located in Achi Village, Nagano Prefecture, which is known as the best starry sky in Japan. Located at an altitude of about 1,000 meters, the sky, filled with stars, is a masterpiece. Each site is named after a constellation, and it is popular as a perfect spot for stargazing. Surrounded by the silence of nature and the beautiful starry sky, you can refresh both body and mind. In addition, there are walking trails nearby, where you can enjoy forest bathing, and activities that children can enjoy. The fresh greenery is beautiful in spring, and the cool climate in summer is attractive. Nearby sightseeing spots include Uragi Kogen Ski Resort and Sumago Juku. At Uragi Kogen Ski Resort, you can enjoy skiing in winter, and outdoor activities on the plateau in summer. Sumago Juku has a historic townscape that retains the atmosphere of a post-town from the Edo period, and is perfect for a stroll. It is also worth visiting the market, selling local specialties and old houses registered as cultural properties. In addition to stargazing, this campsite also offers programs that allow you to deeply experience local culture and nature. For example, early morning hikes with local guides, and local cooking workshops are popular. In addition, walking courses with beautiful autumn leaves are well maintained, and many tourists visit the area. Starry sky tours are guided by astronomy experts, and you can learn about the secrets of constellations in the universe. 5. Inaka no Kaze Campsite, Nagano Prefecture. A campsite with a spectacular view of the Central Alps. The terrace sites, made from reused rice terraces, offer a wonderful view from any spot. There are also plenty of activities such as agricultural experiences, allowing you to deeply experience Japan's rural landscape and culture. In addition, there are workshops where you can experience traditional local crafts and events, where you can enjoy local specialties. In the fall, rice harvesting experiences are popular, and you can feel the rural culture of Japan. Nearby tourist spots include Jinbagadeyama and Kazenji Temple. Jinbagadeyama is a spot where you can enjoy a spectacular view from an altitude of 1,445 meters, making it ideal for hiking. Kazenji Temple is a temple characterized by beautiful gardens and historical buildings, and the weeping cherry blossoms are spectacular in spring. There is also a farmer's market nearby, where you can taste local vegetables and fruits, so you can enjoy fresh local ingredients. Inaka no Kaze Campsite also focuses on eco-activities that make use of the natural environment. The campsite is equipped with facilities that use renewable energy, making it possible to camp in an environmentally friendly manner. There are also exchange events with local farmers, offering valuable experiences, such as seasonal harvesting experiences and homemade miso making. In addition, guided tours are held for visitors to learn about local history and traditions. These campsites are all spots where you can enjoy the natural beauty of Japan throughout the seasons. They are equipped with facilities for beginners to advanced campers, as well as solo campers and families. There is also a wealth of information on tourist attractions and gourmet food around the campsites, providing visitors with a diverse experience. Please visit and experience the charm of the Japanese outdoors. What did you think? If you find a campsite that interests you, be sure to make plans. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a high rating. Thank you for watching.